How to add another account on WhatsApp application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open WhatsApp app. Click on the three lines at the top right corner and go to settings. Go to account at the top. Now here I've already logged in using the add another account option. So that's why there's no option available to add another account in my application. If you have the same condition, you can simply click on change number option. Once you do, there you will be able to add another number in your WhatsApp account. If not, if you have already logged in only one account in your account, you will be able to see the option of add another account, provide your phone number and verify it, and then you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.